Good morning. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm headed to the beach. I know it's freezing cold outside, still kind of windy, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go just for the views. So I'm headed to the beach. It's kind of on the other side of the city, so yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, should I say it was unexpected? Probably not, but I'm at like literally I think one of the most beautiful beaches, and I've seen some really beautiful beaches this year, but this one right here, the water is like crystal clear blue. You have these views of the mountains in the background. It definitely compares very high up there with all the other beaches, and a little unexpected. I didn't know the water would be so blue here, but you know, it is. So obviously I'm going to do a lot of stuff here. I'm definitely going to fly the drone here. Not sure how that's going to go, but I'm going to try it anyways. It's funny, I'm a little shook because I thought I had seen the most beautiful beaches like Thailand. Those were absolutely beautiful, but this one definitely ranks right up there, and I was not expecting that to be here. So it's always tough. You find like your favorite spots in certain countries, and then you travel around more and you always find spots that you like even more than the last, which is quite interesting because I always think I find my favorite place and then end up just finding somewhere that I actually like more. You know, I haven't even been able to adventure here so much yet, but the beaches, just the kind of the overall vibe here, all these restaurants on the beach, definitely a really cool spot. Okay, so I mean, this place gets just as surprising. I could probably do a whole segment on the real estate here. I thought there was some pretty stunning real estate in Portugal, which this is kind of similar to. But you have these houses kind of up here on the hills, these cliff sides, and they're beautiful, you know, modern, you know, kind of square-ish, rectangular type homes. So I'm totally in love with these. And also, oddly enough, I had to take off my hoodie. It was cold, and now it's not cold anymore. It's actually warm. So I totally understand when the people here yesterday were saying that the weather can be on and off. You know, there's people on the beach. Some people on the beach are wearing bikinis, and some people are wearing, you know, windbreakers and things. It's like no one really knows what the weather is. So as of right now, at least, it's like blazing hot. Side note, I think maybe just a few people have asked me where I'm from, kind of with this notion of like, you're definitely not from here. There are some Americans, I'm sure, but the type of people here, to me, they look Hawaiian, and that would kind of make sense, but they call the people here Kiwi. I'm still not so sure about what that means exactly. Anyways, to me, this place is so different. It's just amazing views all the way around. So I'm currently making my way up to this place called the Achilles Peak, which is supposed to have another small beach as well as a great view. So I'm gonna take the drone up from there. Till I get there, I just have this hill that I have to climb, and I am on my way there. So this would be such a beautiful place to live. I mean, you're just strolling through your neighborhood and then you turn and you see stuff like this right out your backyard. I mean, that's definitely next level stuff. And this is, you know, just being honest, this is one of those neighborhoods where people will kind of look at you. Either they're trying to figure out where you're from. I had a few people just ask me straight up where I'm from. When you tell them you're American, you can kind of see the light bulb come on and it's like, oh. So I'm here, this is Achilles Point, and it's super windy, no surprise, but just taking in some of these views. You have them from the ground floor to the higher points. They have these trails that go around the area, so you could really see a lot of stuff here from all different angles. In this bay, you can kind of look out towards different sides of the country here, really. I mean, you can see mountains, you can see city, there's just so much to see here. So I'm kind of just like walking around, taking it all in, also looking for a good vantage point for the drone. I do see like a small private beach at the bottom of the hill that I'm by, but it looks like people are doing some excessive tanning, maybe Portugal style if you catch my drift. So maybe I won't fly the drone over there, of course. So yeah, really I'm just gonna like look around here. I think I'm gonna take the drone up now. Hopefully it's okay with the winds. It usually is. I just have to make sure it's like okay with like functioning in general. That would be nice. So much to see here just from like this one point. It's like this point here on a corner, and you can see in all directions. Yeah, now let me see how the drone looks. Okay, so I made my way down this trail here to this beach. I'm not gonna name this specific beach, but I wanted to take pictures down there. But everyone on that beach is naked. So, and it's not like the Portuguese version where it's like, ooh, everyone on the beach is naked. This one's like, ew, everyone on the beach is naked. So that's a no-go. I can't take any pictures down there. I walked quite far to get down there. It's even harder coming back up. I just ate a full pizza at this restaurant. By the way, shout out to that restaurant with a glass of wine. At least I'm getting the exercise to work it off right now. I think I'm about wrapped up for here. I know I didn't see a whole bunch or do anything too spectacular while I was here, but it's just nice to go catch a view. You know, I'm still a little bit under the weather, so it's just nice to get out and do some things. If you enjoyed the video and you're looking forward to upcoming videos, go ahead and leave a like on this one. That means a lot. Make sure to like the video, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot more coming, and like always, we'll see you in the next video.